I want to throw this 2024 to start fresh. So number one is thinking about what others are saying, wasting our money on unnecessary stuff, and prioritizing my health. Don't wait for opportunities, create opportunities. So currently is being nice to people, not judging them, is waking up early. Third tip is surrounding yourself with like-minded people. Is not spending time with my family. So as much as possible, I try to be home. I want to listen more to people instead of me telling them what I want them to do. Parang feeling ko dapat I just have to listen to them. Kasi diba parang mas kailangan nilang to let out or vent out their feelings. Parang ganun. So this is what I've learned sa conversation ito earlier. Na parang I don't want to impose things on people. Parang I just want to listen to them. Kasi parang most of the time they don't need advice naman. They just want someone to listen to them.